At Red Hat, we participate in the community that builds out the various pieces of open source technology that go into the great community of software. This helps us understand the lay of the land for the evolving technologies we see running in the world today. It helps us also contribute and shape the future world of tomorrow. As software matures, we then take those contributions and integrate them into our community-driven Linux distribution we call Fedora. Fedora is a free working environment that allows you to taste test the Red Hat Enterprise Linux environments that will end up being released into the commercial environments. It's a first look at what will come from Red Hat Enterprise Linux and an area where we can explore and try new technologies to see if it meets customer needs. Once software has been identified to be included in Red Hat Enterprise Linux, it goes through a stabilizing or hardening process where we ensure that it runs and runs well in commercial applications. From there, we license it and release a new version of Red Hat Enterprise Linux that our end customers can trust to run within their commercial environments for years to come. Here you can see a flow of that work. First, we participate in an array of community projects. Those that prove worth their salt to be included in the operating system are then integrated into our environments and tested in environments like Fedora. Finally, those that are required for integration into our commercial applications are stabilized and included in the future releases of Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Here, we commercially license and support those for enterprise needs. If you're interested in trying out Red Hat Enterprise Linux, download an evaluation copy to see if it meets your needs. Once you're licensed with Red Hat Enterprise Linux, you can rely on Red Hat to deliver a stable and reliable enterprise operating system for whatever commercial applications you need. This concludes our introduction to Linux itself. In the next section, we'll explore the command line interface.